Hi, boys and girls. This week we will meet Chick. She is pals with Duck. Chick likes to mix and chop. Chip makes jam and dip. What will Chick do with all the jam and dip she makes? Well, we will have to learn some new words and skills so that we can read about Chick and Duck and find out what these characters are going to do. But first, let's learn our new high-frequency words. Our first word is bee. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Bee. Bee. Apples can be red, yellow, or green. Say the word again after me. Bee. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. B-E. The letter E stands for the long E sound. Blend with me. B-E. Bee. Now skywrite the word bee. B-E. Try to write it without looking. B-E. Our next word is here. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Here. Here. We can wait for the bus right here. Say the word again after me. Here. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. H-E-R-E. In this word, the letters E-R-E stand for the sounds ear. Blend with me. Ear. Here. Now skywrite the word here. H-E-R-E. Try to write it without looking. H-E-R-E. Our next word is me. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. 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 Can you help me with this? Say the word again after me. Me. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. M-E. The letter E stands for the long E sound. E. Blend with me. M-E. Me. Now skywrite the word me. M-E. Try to write it without looking. M-E. Our next word is play. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Play. Play. We like to play games that we make up. Say the word again after me. Play. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. P-L-A-Y. The letters A-Y stand for the long A sound. A. Blend with me. P-O-A. Play. Now skywrite the word play. P-L-A-Y. Try to write it without looking. P-L-A-Y. The next word is started. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Started. Started. It started to rain in the middle of the game. Say the word again after me. Started. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. S-T-A-R-T-E-D. The letters A-R stand for the sounds R. The ED ending signals a verb in the past tense. That means it already happened. The letter E stands for the sound Blend each syllable with me. S-T-R-T-D. Started. Now skywrite the word started. S-T-A-R-T-E-D. Try to write it without looking. S-T-A-R-T-E-D. The next word is today. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Today. Today. Today we will go to the store. Say the word again after me. Today. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. T-O-D-A-Y. Y. In this word, the letter O stands for the sound The letters AY stand for the long A sound, A. Blend each syllable with me. D, A. Today. Now skywrite the word today. T-O-D-A-Y. Now try to write it without looking. T-O-D-A-Y. Our next word is use. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Use. Use. I use an umbrella when it rains. Say the word again after me. Use. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. U-S-E. The letter U stands for the long U sound, U. The letter S stands for the sound Z, and the E is silent. Blend with me. Y, U, Z, use. Now skywrite the word use. U-S-E. Now try to write it without looking. U-S-E. Our last word is very. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Very. Very. I am very happy to see you. Say the word again after me. Very. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. V-E-R-Y. The letter E stands for the short E sound, eh. The letter Y stands for the long E sound, E. Blend each syllable with me. V-E-R-E. Very. Now skywrite the word very. V-E-R-Y. Try to write it without looking. V-E-R-Y. Now let's read all the new words we just learned together, starting on the first line. Be, hear, me. Play, started today. Use, very. Now let's play with the sounds in words. Working with the sounds in words can help you become better readers and writers. Remember that you can listen for sounds at the beginning of words and tell whether all the words begin with the same sound. You also know how to listen to a word and name other words that begin with the same sound. I will say a word and you will say which picture name begins with the same sound. I will do the first one. Listen. Cheek. I hear ch at the beginning of cheek. Which picture name begins with the same sound as cheek? Can begins with k. Horse begins with h. And chalk begins with ch. Listen to the beginning sound again. Cheek. Ch. Cheek begins with the same sound as chalk. Ch. Now you try it. Say the beginning sound in each word and then point to the picture that begins with the same sound. Ready? His. Card. K. Help. Chase. Ch. Key. K. Cup. K. Cheese. Ch. Hand. H. Keep. K. Very good. Now you will blend sounds to say words in a form of Simon Says. As I give the directions, I will say the sounds in one of the words. You have to blend the sounds to say the word and then follow the direction. But only if Simon says. Let's do one together first. Simon says, pat your head. What word did Simon say to pat? Your head. Great. Simon says pat your head. Let's do it together. Now we'll play the game. Remember to blend the sounds to say the word. Then do the action if Simon says to. Listen. Simon says, touch your ch-e-k. What word did you blend? Cheek. Now show me what you should do. Okay, the next one is pretend that you can f-l-I. Pretend that you can what? Fly. Did Simon say to do it? No. Good listening. Simon says, stack some cups. Stack some what? Cups. Simon says. Simon says, raise your right hand. Hand. Simon says, raise your right hand. Act like you are very cold. Act like you are very cold. Simon didn't say. Cheetah begins with the ch sound. You know that sometimes two letters come together to make one new sound. The consonant letters CH together stand for one sound, ch. The letter CH can stand for the ch sound at the beginning or at the end of a word. Look at the first word, chat. The consonant CH stand for the ch sound at the beginning of chat. The vowel A comes after the CH in chat. Remember, when there is one vowel in a word and it is followed by one or two consonants, the vowel is usually short. Blend the word with me. Ch-at. Chat. Very good. Now let's look at the second word. Ich. Rich. The consonant letters CH stand for the ch sound at the end of rich. Since this word has one vowel followed by two consonants, the vowel is short. Blend the word with me. Ich. Rich. Now let's blend some letters in line 1 to read a word. The first two letters are CH. Ch. When there is only one vowel in a word and it is followed by a consonant, the vowel usually stands for its short sound. Let's slide over the next letter in line 2 and blend the two sounds. Ch, aw, chaw. Now let's blend all the letters together in line 3. Ch, aw, chop. Read it with me. Chop. Now you are going to pause the video and practice writing your lowercase c. You start on the dotted line and you curve around to the bottom line and stop. Start on the dotted line, below the dotted line, curve around and stop. You're going to write 10 lowercase c's in your journal. Take a picture and turn it into your teacher. Don't forget your finger spaces. Now we are ready to read about Chick and Duck in a story called Chop, Chop, Mix, Mix. You are also going to read about Chick and her pals in a story called Chick Jam, Chick Dip.